Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about Snowflake, alright? Ticker symbol is SNOW and I've made about 3 videos on this ticker before. Um in the past, so when we were around 129, 130 and then I believe 140. So right around this area right here, okay? So right around this whole area right here on the bottom. And I'm just gonna make this video again to show you guys the power of two things, right? Power of believing in the stock, holding it, and the power of the charts. Okay, so I talked about it when it was around 130s. Let's just say on average the 130s. We have gone up to now price target 205. Okay, so this is how I think simple charting should be, right? So we have this low. So this is the lowest the stock ever went. If we look left, we have another low right here, which means that when price is basically at the lowest, means that that is the biggest opportunity for you to buy. All right, it's not when price is at an all-time highs like this, or this is not all-time highs, this is all-time highs, but when price is at a high like this, that you want to enter at around $400 a share, when there's better opportunities at around 115, 120, 130, and you guys get the point. All right, so this was last year and we hit 195. If we look left, we always look left, we have multiple rejections from this area, right? So we have multiple rejections, multiple touches, which means that that is the first area you should be taking the profits, right? Now, of course, if you're Warren Buffett and you're holding it for 30 years, that's something different. I think you should take profit at least 25% to maybe 50% of the profits, because the way that the market works is you make a high, you make a low, you make another high, you make another low, and then you keep going. So if the market is doing this and I'm taking profits on the high, I should be able to buy back again at a lower point. So when the price is high again, I take profits again and then buy again on the low. And I'm not buying on the highs. All right. I think that's it. The most common mistake that 99% of people make is buying at the wrong time because they don't read charts. All right. So, what am I here to say, right? We have made another low right here. This was beginning of the year. This was around April. Again, April. I've talked about this many times in other videos. April of 2025 was the single-handed best month for you to enter any position in the stock market. Okay, so April we came back to 120. Perfect area for you to be entering again, and now we made another high at around the 220 mark. Okay, so I believe that we are going at um at a bullish trending market right now. We are making higher highs and higher lows, but where is the best place for you to be entering again? Now, of course, we have a clean range right here. So we have this range from the 145 to the 205 right here, to the 200 actually. I'll put it 200. So we have this clean range. What I mean by clean range is whenever price goes from 140 or 145 to the 200, it just goes directly. And same goes for the opposite. So if we're coming down from the 200 and we're looking at, the next target on the downside, we should be going back to the 145. Now, are we going back to the 145? I don't know. But this is a good range for one thing, which is dollar cost averaging into this stock. Okay. If we break these highs, so if we look left right here, if we break these highs, so I'm gonna even change the color. If we break these highs, I believe we should be able to I believe we should be able to break this, 220, 230 area, almost the 230 area. And then next target, if we look left right here, we have a clean range from the 240s to the 320. So I don't remember exactly what my target was on the previous videos, but with time, I'm just adjusting and basically making my chart analysis better and better and more simple as well. All right, so this is to me a clean range as well. So we have candles going from this 240 all the way up to the 320, and then right here again, and then coming down same way. If we're coming down from the 320 all the way down to the 240. Okay, so that is, yes, my next target. If we clear this range, if we close this range, it's a perfect move. And I'm even gonna put a ruler right here for 30%. That is a little bit over 30% move on Snowflake. All right. Now that's all going to depend on market conditions, and that is just from the 240 to the 320. If we come lower, let's just say from the 205, that's a 54% move. Okay. All right, guys. This is it. If you guys have any questions, drop down below. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe for more content. I did come back with the school channel, so I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. All right? See you guys on the next one.